channel Safus Creation. Today we are gonna try something different. So today we are gonna make energetic and healthy cucumber egg salad. Ingredients required: we need 2 boiled eggs, capsicum, 2 cucumbers, tomato, lettuce, mayonnaise, black pepper powder, sugar and salt. Get started and make our salad. First of all, let us remove the shell from our boiled eggs. Now we'll peel our cucumbers. Now we are going to cut a capsicum. We will be needing only a half of a capsicum for the salad. We will cut a cooked capsicum into small cubes. Transfer the capsicum into the bowl. Cut the cucumber into small cubes. Now we are going to cut a tomato in the same manner. Going to cut our lettuce into small pieces. Cut the egg into small pieces. We are going to add half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of sugar and then half teaspoon of salt. We are going to put 3 spoons of mayonnaise into our salad. Now we are going to mix it very well. Fry the salad with the cucumber. Our tasty, healthy and energetic salad is ready. All our new viewers, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell for further updates.